Breaking news coming in on the other side. Government has issued directives to the airlines is what we're given to understand. Government has said to the airlines that there will be no spike during a festive season. That is the big breaking development coming in. Festive season includes Diwali and Chhath. Those are the details that we are tracking, that government has issued directives to the airlines that there will be no fare hikes during the festive season, especially during Diwali and Chhath Puja coming very, very soon. Latest developments in terms of government's directive and ease for the flyers, those wanting to travel to their hometowns and other places during the festive season. A key detailed direction coming in from the government as it has issued a directive for the airlines to not spike fares during the festive season. Harsha is joining us live for more details. Harsha, the government issuing directives to the airlines to not spike up the fare prices during the festive season is absolutely an ease for the travellers at that point in time. How do we see this?
Yes, you rightly pointed out, there was a high-level meeting which was chaired by Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, and with all the airlines, Air India Express, SpiceJet, Indigo, all were given sharp instructions and directive from the Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. He clearly stated that there will be no fare hike during Diwali and Chhath Puja. We have in past seen that how especially during festive season, there is a 60 to 70% fare hike by most of the airlines, and it was already being stated that from lowest from tier 2 city to the metro city, or from metro city to tier 2 city like Lucknow, MP, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, there will be 60 to 70% fare hike by the airlines. It was earlier stated by airlines. This was the sources we also reported, but after this high level meeting, the clear directions and directives have been issued by Civil Aviation Minister to the airlines that there will be no fare hike. There will be proper capping of the rating of the rates, of the price of the tickets, which will be issued to the passengers. Whenever the passenger will be booking the ticket, there will be proper capping. There will be no 60 to 70% hike, and it's a big relief for passengers, because let's say the festive season is to start from this week. From this week onwards, there are several passengers who will be booking their air tickets to the cities, to the respective cities by airline, by different airline. So the amount has to be the same. Right now, the amount the passengers are traveling by in the flights, the amount has to be same, and this directive has been issued yesterday only, and all the airlines has to adhere by these guidelines and the instruction given to them by the Civil Aviation Ministry. And not only this, there are the sharp instructions regarding others as well, which has been given. That means at the peak festive season, most of the airlines of Air India Express and Air India right now is AOG, that is aircraft on ground. Most of the aircrafts are not working. They are under maintenance, they are under repairing. There's some or the issue with the aircraft, they are not in the service, and has clearly been instructed by the minister that none of the aircraft can be AOG. Minimize the number of the aircrafts which has to be AOG. It is unacceptable during the festive season, during the peak festive season, when the passengers in the high number will be traveling through air. There has to be sufficient number of airlines, sufficient number of aircraft for passengers to fly to the respective location, and only that ways there could be a proper amount capping and the relief to the passengers through the ticket booking in the flights. And that is the reason why now airlines have to give the action report, the review report to the minister before the next meeting, that what decisions have they taken, how they are adhering to the instructions which has already been sent by the Civil Aviation Minister to these airlines.